Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me Zeetography back with another video, and today we are going to be having another upgrade. I know there is so many upgrades where we'll talk about this some other day. Well, this is a very important upgrade that I'm doing, and this is about. However, I'll put up this what is the thumbnail, and I'll put in a title. So why I have to be fearing about this. So let me tell you this right now. It's about the lens. It's about the lens that I'm gonna buy. It's a very wide lens, and it is costing around approximately it's costing around 50,000. But I'm getting it for a very discounted price, and I'll tell you what is the price at the end of the video. Okay, let the suspense be there. Yeah, it's around 215, and let us move as soon as possible. Did I have my breakfast and lunch and everything? No, I had something. That's enough for me, I think. Well, that's it. Let's leave. I'll do a little vlogging, and I plan to take up my drone with me. So, it'll be somewhere, it'll be helpful so that I can fly it somewhere and get some good shots if I find a place like that. That's it. The place is Kadapa. You can see the map. I thought of going, but I thought I'll upload this and then go because I don't know, I like this one very much. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, then just please make sure you're following me on Instagram. There is an ant type in front above my lens, so khatam. So if you want to see this reels, you can just follow me on Instagram. It will be there. It's a small reel. You can check out other things also. Like there are photos, there are songs. There are so many things. Just have a check on my profile. Yeah, we are ready with everything. See, yeah. Forgot my watch. Okay, finally I found it. It's here. So just move. Have to go fast. Okay, so here I am. We're all ready, and that's it. Let's go. It's all bluish, right? There is a reason why this is all looking bluish because I had set it for some different color mode. The most important part. See, I'll just show you. It all looks so good on this. Smooth and cool. That's the reason I wear this every time. Bye. Turn all the lights off and let's go. And I'm hoping it's there. We'll confirm. Then he's going out with his family, so it does not disturb him for any reasons. Because after stopping here now, I realize that I have forgotten the drone. The drone. So I have to be going back. And then I'm not going without the drone. I've told you that I'm gonna take some shots on the drone. So I just take the drone, then go. Okay. So here we have the drone. How much is the battery remaining? It's full. That's it. This is how do I look when I'm not there. Why you are on?
ಅದು ಮುತೋಜಿನತೆ ನೆಟ್ಟೊಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ
ಪಣಂಗ್ಲೆ ಮಾಲ್ತೆ ರೈಡ್ ಬೋಪುನ ಪೂರ ದೂರ ದೂರ ಬೋಪರ ದಂಚ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಬೋಪುನ
ಹೌದೇ ಒಳದು
ಅವು ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೋಡಪ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ I guess you guys can already spot the difference. There's a lot of difference, right? So let me show you a little more of that difference, and that is this is the wideness of the new lens, and I'm really happy after buying this. I'll show you some of the shots, and this is how it's going to be looking from today onwards. I'm sorry to wear this. I know it's like there's a very much difference with this and the older lens. Like obviously the wideness is too much. At the same time, there's no image stabilization. I have to be very steady with my hands, and one more thing is it's heavy, so I have to be getting used to the to carry this heavy thing from now onwards. Well, the drone shots are really looking good, and I hope you guys also like it. Let me start my journey. And unfortunately, the second battery, which I thought was charged, the GoPro battery, is not charged. So no more videos like from the GoPro. That's it. So, and I'll go home and I'll properly tell you about the specification of this lens. That's it. Bye. And yeah, the price is remaining yet to tell. Suspense is still there. So finally we have reached back to my place, and it was really good, nice ride it was, because the road was really good. I told you that I talk a little about the lens and about the price of the lens. So the lens is Canon EFS mount, and it's heavy because the mount is metallic. So earlier it was plastic, so now it is metallic. And even the 10 to 18 mm lens has a plastic one with image stabilization. It's better. Still, it is, if I have to buy a new one, it will cost me around 18,000. Well, I bought this particular lens for only one reason, and that one reason is I got this lens which is worth around 46,000. Got it for 7,000. Yeah, so people might be thinking, why is it so less? Because I'm the third person owning this lens, because it was with someone, he gave it to someone, and that person gave it to me. So reliability, or how much I have to trust on this lens, it's less comparatively, but it's working fine for now, and I checked all the possible ways I could. So So it is all good, it is fine. But I could see there is one thing that is wrong, because of which the worth has become from that to this. But it wouldn't be a problem for a person like me who is more concentrated on video, because I'll tell you, because the reason is the focus is not available when it is kept in infinity. When the focus is kept in infinity, it's a completely blur, and I can already see there is some sort of ring that has come out from the lens, probably because of that reason. But not a problem, because you can see how good the thing works. See, for example, if I keep something here, see, it has focus in my hand now. That's all I need. I don't want it to be, for photography we can use the 50 mm lens. That's enough. And so if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like and share this video if it's worth watching. And don't forget to comment, and please do subscribe to this channel so that your friend can grow and make better content every day. And that's a sort of motivation. And yeah, this is actually the size, this is the measurement. I've kept it in 18 mm right now, which is the earlier one. If I push this to 10, this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, this is how wide it is. So basically, if I have to talk to this, I have to come this closer. But it's fine, I like this, it's very nice. I'm happy with this, and everything is working cool and everything is fine. There's a power cut, and that's the reason I've not turned that light on. So I don't know at what time power will come, probably 6 I'm guessing, so another 15 minutes. I think by then I'll finish editing this vlog. Well, that's it. Have a nice day.